Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that keeps coming up, even in the 21st century. Is the Earth flat? Yes, you heard me right. Despite all the technology we have today, satellites, space travel, and the scientific advancements of centuries, some people still believe that the Earth is flat. But why? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the main arguments of the flat earthers. We'll also break down why these arguments don't hold up when tested scientifically. And finally, we'll dig into the conspiracy that's supposedly behind it all. Ready to dive into this strange and fascinating world? Let's get started. Part 1. The origins of the flat Earth theory. To understand why some people still believe in a flat Earth, we have to go back to ancient history. Thousands of years ago, many civilizations believed the Earth was flat. It made sense at the time. After all, when you stand on the ground, the Earth looks flat, right? The horizon is straight and nothing seems to curve. But as early as ancient Greece, philosophers and scientists began to realize the Earth might be round. They noticed things like the shape of Earth's shadow during lunar eclipses, weight, or how ships disappear hull first as they sail over the horizon. These observations were some of the first clues that the Earth is actually a sphere, not a flat disk. Part 2. Modern flat Earth arguments. Now, despite centuries of proof that the Earth is round, modern flat earthers have their own set of arguments. Here are some of the main ones. 1. The horizon always looks flat. Flat earthers argue that if the Earth were round, we should be able to see its curve with the naked eye. Since the horizon looks flat, they say, it must mean the Earth is flat. 2. Planes don't adjust for curvature. They claim that if the Earth were a sphere, airplanes would constantly need to adjust their flight paths to avoid flying off the curve. But since planes fly in straight lines, they take it as proof the Earth is flat. 3. Water can't stay on a sphere. Another popular argument is that if the Earth were round, water in the oceans would slide off or flow into space because gravity couldn't hold it in place on a curved surface. 4. Photos of Earth from space are fake. Many flat earthers believe that all images and videos from space, especially those showing Earth as a globe, are digitally altered by space agencies like NASA. 5. Flight routes don't make sense. They often point out that certain international flight paths appear curved on a globe, but make more sense if the Earth were flat. Part 3. The scientific response. All right, now let's tackle these claims with some good old-fashioned science. 1. The horizon and Earth's curvature. While the horizon looks flat at ground level, the curvature becomes more apparent as you rise in altitude. For example, at 35,000 feet on a plane, or from space, the curvature is obvious. Also, when ships sail into the distance, the bottom part disappears before the top, which wouldn't happen if the Earth were flat. 2. Gravity and Earth's shape. Gravity pulls everything toward the center of the Earth. This is what gives Earth its spherical shape and keeps water, mountains, and us firmly on the surface. Water doesn't fly off into space because gravity works the same all over the globe. 3. Photos from space. Thousands of images from different satellites and space missions clearly show Earth as a sphere. These aren't just from NASA, but from many independent organizations and countries. Saying that all of these are faked would require a massive global conspiracy. 4. Flight routes. Flight paths may look curved on a flat map, but they actually follow straight lines when you consider the Earth's curvature. This is called a Great Circle Route, the shortest distance between 2 points on a globe. Part 4. The conspiracy theory behind it all. So, if the science is so clear, why do some people still believe the Earth is flat? For many flat earthers, it's not just about the shape of the Earth, it's about distrust in the system. They believe there's a massive global conspiracy to hide the truth about the flat Earth. This conspiracy supposedly involves governments, scientists, and even space agencies like NASA. But why would they lie? Answers vary, but some say it's to control how we see the world, while others believe it's about keeping us in the dark about something bigger. In reality, flat Earth belief taps into a broader mistrust of authority and institutions. It's important to note that these conspiracy theories often appeal to people who feel disconnected or mistrustful of the information provided by the media, government, or science. Conclusion. So to wrap it all up, the Earth is round, and there's no credible scientific evidence to support the idea of a flat Earth. The flat Earth theory may be interesting to explore, but it doesn't stand up to facts and science. Instead, it reflects deeper issues of distrust and the appeal of conspiracy thinking. Thanks for watching this video. If you learned something new today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. And let me know in the comments, had you heard of the flat Earth theory before? Have you ever met someone who believed in it? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you soon for another deep dive into the mysteries of science. Bye for now.